The variables q and t are related such that q is equal to 54 divided by 3 raised to the power of t. Calculate the value of t when q is equal to 2 over 3. And so here we have this formula, q is equal to 54 divided by 3 raised to the power of t. And in this case, q is equal to 2 over 3. And so since q is equal to 2 over 3, wherever we see q, we're going to put 2 over 3. And so we substitute. So instead of putting q, we put 2 over 3. Next, what do we do? Well, we cross multiply. And so we cross multiply. So that means that we take 3 and we multiply it by 54. And we take 3t and we multiply it by 2. And so indeed, we have 3 multiplied by 54. That's 3 multiplied by 54. And then we have 3 raised to the power of t multiplied by 2. That's 3 raised to the power of t multiplied by 2. So we have 2 times 3 raised to the power of t. And that's going to be equal to 3 times 54. Next, we say 3 times 54, and 3 times 54 is 162. And so we have 2 times 3 raised to the power of t is equal to 162. Because 3 times 54 is 162. Next, we divide both sides of this equation by 2. And so when we do that, we are able to cancel. So that means that this 2 cancels over with that 2. And so we are left with 3 raised to the power of t is equal to 81. Now, how do we get 81? Well, 162 divided by 2, that's 162 divided by 2 is 81. And so we have 3 raised to the power of t is equal to 81. And so what we do is we take 81 and we express it such that it has 3 as the base. So 81 is going to be equal to 3 raised to the power of 4. And that's because 3 raised to the power of 4 is equal to 81. And so we have 3 raised to the power of t is equal to 3 raised to the power of 4. And so since these two bases are the same, if the bases are the same, then the powers are equal. And so that means that t is equal to 4. And that's the answer to this particular question. T is equal to 4.